viewers, welcome once again to Ame's Corner. I trust you're doing very well. I'm doing very well. Thank you so much for always watching my videos. Thank you for always subscribing to my videos. Thank you for always liking and commenting as well. Today at Ame's Corner, I'm going to show you how I make my healthy light soup in Ghana style. But I have a different way of doing mine. Light soup is not all about tomato, onion, tomato paste. We can add different vegetables to it to make it look more healthier for our body. So at Ame's Kitchen, when I'm making Ghana light soup, I prefer adding cauliflower, broccoli, carrot to enhance the taste. It's very healthy for you, the babies, everybody. This is very easy and very quick procedure. I hope you do not go anywhere. You stay right there, you watch to the end, and I hope you learn something new from today's cooking. So before we start with our cooking, I'm going to show you all the ingredients that I'm going to use for my healthy soup today. So I will start with my vegetables. I got fresh tomato, I got broccoli, I got 1 full onion, I got 2 carrots, I got my hot chili and cauliflower. I also have my ginger, my garlic and 1 full onion. I'm going to use this to steam my chicken. And I have my steamed chicken, hard one, if you and over here it's my smoked dry tilapia. So I have 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. I don't need much. I got 1 teaspoon of vegeta, 1 teaspoon of all peppers, and 1 Maggi cube, the chicken one. Over here I got half teaspoon of thyme and half teaspoon of rosemary. I'm going to blend it together with my garlic, ginger, and onions to steam up my chicken. And this one is pink salt. You can use white salt if you like, but I don't have white salt at home, so I'm going to use the pink one today. Before we start with our healthy soup, I'm going to cook all my fresh vegetables. Then after that, I deal with my chicken. So I'm going to start by putting my tomato in, my cauliflower, broccoli. So I'm going to cut it into 2. My onion, I'm going to cut it into 2. My chili, it depends on you. If you like too much chili, you can add more to it. If you want less, you can put less. And of course my carrots. So I'm going to cut the carrots into 4 pieces because carrots is really hard and it takes time to cook. So you need to cut them into these pieces, then you can add it to it. So I'm going to add water to it. So you're going to boil it for 25 minutes. So whilst my vegetables are cooking, I'm going to blend my garlic, ginger and onion together with my thyme and my rosemary. So I'll first cut them into pieces. I will always advise you to add garlic to whatever you do at home. You It's really good for our heart and very healthy. So I advise you to add garlic to whatever you do. So at this point, I'm going to add my thyme and my rosemary to it. And you add a little bit of water. Then you blend them together. So at this point, I'm going to take all the skin off my chicken. I know some people like oil in their soup, but in this healthy soup, I'm not going to use the skin. I prefer taking it off so that our healthy soup will be complete. So I'm going to transfer all the chicken into this bowl so that I can get more space to take out the skin. So at this point, I'm going to add water to it so it becomes easier for me to take the skin off. So I just hold it on, then peel it off, and that's it. So we got this slimy thing on the chicken whenever you peel out the skin. So you have to make sure all these slimy things is being washed from the chicken before you can start cooking it. So as you can see, my skin is off. This is how your hard chicken or ifia koko should be. So at this point, I'm going to wash them properly and put it in my saucepan and start with my soup. So I'm going to add my blended onion, garlic, ginger, thyme and rosemary into it. Then I add my salt, my pink salt, you can use the white one. I add my Vegeta and all season peppers and my Maggi cube. So 25 minutes later, our vegetables are ready and it needs to be off the fire. I'm going to use the vegetable stock and pour it into the chicken to steam it together. So now my chicken is on fire, ready to be seasoning. I'm going to pour my vegetable stock into it. It's healthy. You don't have to throw it away because you still got the nutrients in there. So I'm gonna pour it in. Then after that, you mix all together. And you leave it on fire for it to boil for 10 minutes. Then we can get back. So our 10 minutes is up. We need to check our chicken. Okay, so at this point, I can add my tomato paste to it. So we use water to wash a little bit. Now we're going to blend all our vegetables together, then we can put it straight into our soup. So I'm going to add cold water to it. And you blend it. I'm going to add all my blended vegetables to it. So I'm going to wash it. I'm going to add water to it. And I'll give as many water as I can. Then I'm done with my soup. So I'm going to add my smoked dried tilapia to it. Then I'll leave it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, my soup will be ready. So you need to check if your salt is up to it. So I'm going to check. I need to add a little bit of salt to it. So at this point I'm coming to check my soup. As you can see, my soup is ready. Yep, soup is ready. So in Ghana we use this healthy soup to eat fufu. So today I prepared fufu on its side. You're gonna eat it with fufu. You can eat it with banku, you can eat it with rice. It's up to you. You don't have to stress yourself too much. If you don't like fufu, you can have it with your yam, potato, anything that you want to eat it with. So at this point I'm going to turn off my heat so that I can serve my fufu with my healthy light soup. For stopping at Ames Corner today. I hope you've learned something new today. Thank you so much. I would love to thank Fufu Market for sponsoring Ames Corner. They've been so amazing. Thank you so much. At Fufu Market, you can buy and sell your products. Anything you can think of, you can get it at Fufu Market. They have quality products at affordable prices. You will never regret buying your products over there. Thank you so much for watching Ames Corner today. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below. The name has always been Anama Ekuma. Baby. Chop time, no friend. Who said healthy soup is no good? It tastes really yummy. You can taste the cauliflower, you can taste the carrots, you can taste the broccoli. Actually, you can taste everything. Every single thing can be tasted. I'll see you the same time next week. I need to eat. Bye.